Hey, what's up guys? Zach Tilton here. I'm going to try something brand new. I'm going to try to do some type of tutorial video for music production. And since it's my first time doing this, I'm going to touch upon a simple concept known as sidechain compression. We're going to hop here in Ableton. So here we go. I have this little loop that I created, just some drums, some bass, a pad and a lead in Serum, and commonly sidechain compression in this sense would be used on like the bass, and what it does is it ducks out the bass like when the kick drum hits or the snare drum hits, so it creates space for the drums. So I guess I'm just going to show you how we can do that in Ableton very easily. So I have, I guess I'll just play some of the loop here for you so you can check out what's going on. Little Lydian jam for you. So in Ableton it's super easy to bus. So what you can do is actually just group things together. In this case we're going to just start with the bass guitar or the sub bass, and we're going to make it duck out every time the kick drum hits. So what you can do is group my basses here together. So you have a sub bass here and a high pass bass. Super simple shit. So I'm just going to label this bass, and I'm going to go into my compression right here, grab a compressor, toss it on there, open up the sidechain window here, click sidechain. Since our drums are in MIDI, I have to select drums and then go into this drop down menu, and I guess I can select click right there. Boom, pull this up. I like to turn the ratio up all the way and the attack down all the way, so as soon as the kick hits, compression starts to occur. So let's check out what that sounds like, and we'll start bringing the threshold down to apply the compression. So let's check it out. So I can do it really drastically here, where it's just completely pulling out the bass, but we can do it tastefully here just so the transients pop through. We can take it a next step further here and maybe duplicate that, and we can do it with the snare drum too, so the punchiness of the drums really comes through here. So let's grab the snare and let's do the same thing. Let's check this out. Drastic right here. But yeah, you can see that everything's getting ducked out as soon as the transients pop through. What I like to do, that this producer, Mr. Bill, talks about doing a lot, is actually just grouping everything that's not the drums and calling it everything else, and doing the same thing, but instead of just on the bass, you do it on everything else, and it really pushes through those transients of the drums. So let's do that again and show how drastic we can get with this. So 2 compressors, sidechain, 1 on the kick drum, and another on the snare. Boom. Let's turn the ratios up, attack down all the way, and let's get crazy. So now the melody and the pads and the bass are all getting moved out of the way for when the drums come in. So hopefully that was helpful. It's my first tips and tricks in Ableton. just for shits and gigs, so hope you guys have a